How to fix Snapchat friend request error. To fix the Snapchat friend request error, first identify if the issue is a technical glitch or a platform restrictions. Now, common errors like something went wrong or inability to accept requests can often be resolved with the basic troubleshooting steps. First of all, you want to open up your settings on your device. Go to apps from the list. Here it is. Locate Snapchat. Make sure to clear cache and storage over here. That should be able to help. Now next, you want to exit out. Open up Snapchat onto your device. Tap the Bitmoji icon. And go to the gear icon from the bottom right. Then you want to go ahead and look for account actions and clear cache. So here you just want to make sure to scroll down and you will be able to find clear cache at the account actions underneath. You just want to make sure to select continue and tap on clear, and you could just go ahead and update the app. That means you have to ensure you're running the latest version of the app as well. And you could also go ahead and switch your connection. That means try using a different one, Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. And if nothing works out, hold on to your side button and then restart your device. At the same time, reinstall your Snapchat. That should definitely help you out. So these are a couple things you could try to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.